So what does a $10,000 per month commercial cleaning contract look like? So guys, welcome back. It's Rick from Cleaning Launch, and this is what we're gonna talk about today. Because commercial cleaning contracts can go anywhere between $400 per month to $15,000 per month. So what does a $10,000 per month commercial cleaning contract look like? So we simply have to do the math, because a commercial contract is simply the hours the client requires, and we simply calculate the hours to come up with the estimate. And when we find a commercial cleaning contract and they require a lot of cleaning, that means it's more hours. This is why I recommend focusing on the big contracts, because one of my biggest contracts brings in $3,000 per month profit, not revenue. This is all profit, over $3K per month profit, which is about $40,000 per year. So let's do the math together. So if you were charging $32 an hour, all right, times 8 hours per visit, times 7 days a week, and then you times it by 4.33, that right there would be about $7,700 per month. All right, that's charging $32 an hour. All right, if we were charging about 35, then you would make about $8,400 if you were charging $35 an hour. See, when it comes to a big contract, we cannot be charging $60, $50 an hour, because that's gonna be too much for the client. When we have a lot of hours, we have to reduce the hourly cost we're gonna charge the client. So imagine having a commercial cleaning contract where they require 2 shifts, one in the morning and one at night, 8 hours per shift. So if you had a commercial cleaning contract that was 2 shifts a day, so about 16 hours per day, 7 days a week, and you were charging $32 an hour, that contract right there would be about $16,000 per month. The math doesn't lie. Let's do the math together. All right, so we take 16 hours times 7 days a week. So that's 112 hours per week. And then we times it by $32 an hour. So that comes to $3,500 per week. And then we times that by 4.33 and we get almost $16,000 per month. So imagine closing that contract and you pay your cleaners $10,000 per month, and you kept the remaining of the profits. And when you pay cleaners really good, they stay with you for many years. So what kind of contracts are these? And this does not specify a specific industry. It's all about a big company, because there can be a big company in any industry as long as their office requires a lot of cleaning. So big factories, or big logistic warehouses, or movie theaters, or big retail stores like Walmart, grocery stores, big warehouses, big office complexes, all right? Or big skyscrapers that have about 60 floors like these. Because when you close a contract like this, the common area needs cleaning 7 days a week. So you simply find a contract where they need you 7 days a week, 8 hours a visit. So a building like this, you know, they need someone going floor to floor, vacuuming, sweeping, cleaning the amenities, the gym, the pool, the entrance area, all right? And then you can sell a routine. You don't have to come in and clean once. What if you come in and clean 2 times? So you have an 8-hour shift. So then you can charge the client more hours. And the more hours, the bigger the contract. So imagine if you closed 10, 20, 30 commercial cleaning contracts that are paying you every single month, and you simply put an amazing cleaner in place. You systemize it, you keep your cleaners accountable, you pay them good, you make sure they're reliable, they don't skip corners, you answer your client emails, and you change the cleaner when it's necessary, and you do your inspections once a while. That's all you have to do from your end. So you can run your business by hiring hourly workers or subcontractors. I personally do a mix of both depending on the contract. So if you found this valuable and you would like to join my program and get our services to launch your cleaning business, all done for you. So building your website proposal, your brochures, putting you on Google, alright? Giving you an SOP for everything, and then coaching you one-on-one so you can take your cleaning business to the next level. Because when you have a business, if you do not know how to find commercial contracts, what to do in the walkthrough, how to price, how to find cleaners, how to systemize the operations, how to actually make a profit. See, when you haven't done something for the first time, you only learn with experience. And when we only learn with experience, we only learn with trial and error. But how further will you be when you get the right help, when you work with someone who already has a 7-figure commercial cleaning business? So if you're currently stuck and you've been doing this for many years, maybe you're doing 5,000 per month, maybe 10, 20 per month, and you would like to get your cleaning business to the next level, to 50,000, 60,000, 100K months, then the fastest way to do that is to work with someone who's already there, who's been there, done that, and can show you how to do that for yourself. Because let me ask you a question. If we helped you close at least 1 commercial contract per month, would it be worth it? Of course. And we have clients closing 5, 10 commercial contracts every single month. So if that's you and you need help launching, growing, and systemizing your commercial cleaning business one-on-one, then click on the link below and schedule a phone call if you're ready to move forward. And if you're just starting out, we have a cheaper alternative, which is the launch package. The link will also be in the bottom for that. But again, why do everything yourself when we can do everything with you one-on-one? So you don't make the costly mistakes. Because if you were to put $1 in and get 100 out, would it be worth it? Of course. So when it comes to commercial cleaning contract, you simply need to think of the outcome and the return on investment. Because we all know once you close a commercial contract, it's ongoing revenue. You don't have to buy a franchise to be successful. You need to create your own empire. So if you don't know how to get to the next level, we can help you do that. If you don't know how to price, if you don't know how to make a good profit, if you have issues closing the contract, or if you're just starting out and you need the basics to appear like a trustworthy established company, so having your website customized, your email, your brochures, your winning proposal, and having a walkthrough process to actually close the contract and stand out from the competition. So guys, make sure to follow my Instagram, subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video and comment below what videos you guys want to see in the future. I'll be happy to make them. So guys, if you found this valuable, reach out to us, DM us on Instagram, click below and schedule a call if you're ready to take action. Alright guys, so guys, thank you so much for watching, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.